Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your 12-digit Aadhaar and 10-digit PAN. Once both are at hand, use a secure browser. Do not use public Wi-Fi, because you are transmitting sensitive identifiers. Next, navigate to the official UIDI or NSDL e-governance portal. These portals host the Aadhaar PAN linking services. You enter the PAN and Aadhaar into the form fields exactly as printed, because small typos will block verification. Once done with authentication, you submit the form and wait for server response. The system uses OTP or masked verification to confirm identity. You will see one of three results: linked, not linked, or pending. Each has a distinct meaning for your tax records. If it reads linked, note the date. If not linked, the portal often offers immediate linking or a next step. Make sure to save or screenshot the confirmation. This becomes your proof if follow-up is needed. To finish, follow the portal's on-screen prompts to link Aadhaar and PAN when not linked. This may require OTP re-verification or minor edits. If you see pending or receive an error, recheck spelling, digit order, and name format. Mismatches between records are the usual cause. If OTP fails repeatedly, request a resend after 30 seconds and check your network. As a last resort, contact UIDI or NSDL support. Provide your saved screenshot and timestamp so they can trace the transaction quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.